Hello friends, welcome to Savviji. Today we are going to learn Sheer Khurma, that is Eid special. As you know, it is very special dish served on the morning of Eid day in the family after the Eid prayer. It can be served hot or cool, so as per your choice. So now let's learn how to prepare it. First soak dry fruits and dry nuts at least 4 hours. Somebody says we have to soak them overnight, but I did it for 4 hours. Here we added kaju, raisins, dates and pumpkin seeds, walnuts. Luckily I got sliced dates. I added them, and pista we can add, watermelon seeds and chiranji. So whatever available with you, you can add to it, and they have to soak well for 4 hours, at least 4 hours. Meanwhile, we have to boil milk. We have to take whole milk. So after 4 hours, you can see dry nuts are very well soaked. So taking out all husk, we have to cut them into pieces. We have to slice them into small pieces. So our dry nuts are ready. Now we have to take ghee in a pan on medium flame. We have to add this chopped nuts, raisins and dates to the pan. You have to cook for 1 to 2 minutes until the nuts are fragrant and turn golden brown. The raisins will pump up. Then we have to remove the nuts from the pan and set them aside. Here we are taking very thin sevia. Now to the same pan, add the sevia and mix well. Roast the sevia for around 3 minutes until it starts becoming a light golden brown in color. So frying in ghee makes sevia crispy. So kheer will be awesome. Now coming to the milk, add milk maid to it and mix well. It is very optional. I am adding it because of this milk will be little thickened, and people will add some koya too in this stage. As we added milk maid, we should not add sugar. In raisins and dates, already it will be sweetened, so we have to add accordingly. In this step, take fried dry nuts to sevia and add boiled milk to it and mix well. Wow, it's looking very yummy, right? Keep on mixing for 3 minutes. So dry fruits make this dish wow. So frying them in ghee. See now the thickness of milk. This is again your choice. Thickness of this dish is your choice. Now again add fried couscous. This is optional. And then finally add ilachi powder and mix well. You can add more milk if it is thickened. So now it's ready. So to this you can add rose water, and you can add saffron and rose petals. So if they are available with you, you can add them. So our Sheer Khurma is very much ready now. So before tasting it, we have to wish all our friends Eid Mubarak to everyone, and enjoy this Sheer Khurma on your Eid day, on your Ramjan day. Stay blessed. Inshallah, Allah आप सबको खुशी रखे. Whatever our situations, but festivals comes to cheer up with tasty and yummy dishes like this. So enjoy today. Enjoy every moment of life. This is for today. I hope you liked my video, and keep watching my videos for Telugu version. Now you can follow Savvaji Telugu, and thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.